Welcome to Next Outdoor Adventures. In this video, we will give you a quick overview of the Roundtop Ski Resort, located in Pennsylvania, approximately 110 miles from downtown Washington, D.C., or just 15 miles from downtown Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. If you are watching this channel for the first time in your life, please note that on this channel we review the most interesting and unique outdoor attractions located in different parts of the world. So please do not wait until the end of this video and hit the subscribe button right away. Please note that this video includes chapters, including footage of our skiing at Roundtop, so you can use them to navigate to a specific chapter of interest without watching the entire video. Please also note that earlier we published overviews of the Whitetail and Liberty Mountain ski resorts, which are located much closer to Washington, D.C. If you are interested in learning more about them, you can find links in the comments section down below. Now, without further ado, let's get into the main topic of this video, the first-timer's guide to the Roundtop Ski Resort. Roundtop Ski Resort is a fun place for skiers of all abilities, including beginners, intermediate skiers, and experts. We believe that this ski resort is an ideal destination for residents of Harrisburg and nearby areas because of its close proximity, size, and very well-organized layout of ski trails. Similar to Whitetail, Roundtop offers naturally divided terrain for beginners, intermediate skiers, and experts. Thanks to the convenient placement of ski lifts dedicated to specific areas, skiers do not have to ski across the entire mountain to reach the terrain of their interest. This makes skiing at Roundtop comfortable for all skiers, as they do not have to deal with traffic from slower or faster-moving groups on different parts of the mountain. One of the unique highlights of this ski resort is the relatively large number of ski trails dedicated to expert skiers. As you can see from the ski trail map provided by the resort operator, this ski resort offers about half of its ski trails for expert skiers, including areas for freeride skiing and tree skiing, which is a very unique offering for ski resorts located within a 100-mile radius of Washington, D.C. Despite having half of its terrain designed for expert skiers, Roundtop also offers a large and dedicated area for beginners. This area is located on the right side of the mountain. So, if you are a beginner or planning to ski for the first time in your life, you can practice your skills without constantly worrying about being in the middle of someone else's way. If you are an expert skier, you can enjoy several black trails located on the left side of the mountain. These include a few black and a couple of double black trails, which are fun to ski for advanced skiers. Although, as we discussed many times in our videos, trail ratings are quite subjective and depend on many factors, including resort-specific terrain, local skier culture, and marketing strategy. If you are interested, make sure to read one of the articles included in the ski blog on our website. Finally, we would mention that intermediate skiers will have a smaller selection of blue trails compared to Whitetail Ski Resort, although some of the black trails at Roundtop actually provide a similar experience to blue trails located at Whitetail. Please note that we visited Roundtop Ski Resort after a couple of weeks of freezing temperatures. In our opinion, at least 1 week of sustained freezing temperatures, accompanied by natural snowfall or snowmaking, is a bare minimum condition for visiting many ski resorts on the East Coast. Otherwise, your skiing or snowboarding experience may be limited to slushy snow or a very limited selection of open trails. In addition, we would also mention that Whitetail Ski Resort was experiencing issues with its main ski lift, which provides access to most intermediate and expert ski trails. So while it took more time to drive to Roundtop, we were pleased with the overall skiing experience and believe it is an ideal option for those looking for new experiences or for those who do not want to limit themselves to more crowded resorts or resorts impacted by technical issues, while still maintaining a reasonable commute from the DC area. While every season is different, The ideal time to visit many East Coast ski resorts is typically from January through February. However, we strongly recommend checking trail availability, lift status, and live views from web cameras available on ski resort operators' websites. Also note that both Roundtop and other ski resorts in the area are relatively small in comparison to places like Killington, Whiteface, or other popular destinations in the northern parts of the country. So if you are planning to visit Roundtop on a weekend, you may encounter crowds and spend additional time waiting in lift lines. Aside from that, Roundtop offers ski and snowboard rentals, ski lessons, a large cafe, and other facilities typically available at many popular ski resorts. If your schedule allows you to visit Roundtop during the week, then it would be an ideal option, as there would be very little traffic on the slopes, minimal waiting in lift lines, and you may have the slopes almost to yourself. Also note that, similar to Whitetail and Liberty Mountain, Roundtop is included in the Epic Pass. So if you are a frequent skier in the DC or Harrisburg area, consider obtaining a pass to save on expensive lift tickets and get more value by visiting several ski resorts of your choice. We hope that you enjoyed this quick overview and found it useful for planning your first trip to Roundtop. If you liked this video, please feel free to share it with your friends and family and hit the like button down below. Please also hit the subscribe button to help make this video more visible to other skiers in the DC area. This will also keep you informed about new episodes featuring other popular destinations for skiers and snowboarders around the world. If you have any additional questions about Roundtop or other destinations for skiers or snowboarders, feel free to post them in the comments section below, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. As I already mentioned, the rest of this video includes a series of clips featuring our skiing experience on various ski trails at the Roundtop Ski Resort. For your convenience, we have included chapters so that you can navigate directly to a specific ski trail or video segment of interest. Thanks for watching this quick overview until the end.